Yan.
Okay, go.
Ano yung... Pero naka-video. Ate, sabi ko maka-video.
Ano po ba? What makes quality when you mean Miss Universe?
First and foremost, I'm not just beautiful in the outside, but I think I am beautiful in the inside. And I'm just representing the beauty of Filipinas, so I think that is one characteristics that will make you join a pageant, a beauty pageant. Second, I'm not just beautiful inside, like what I said. I think I have a good heart for the people. And third is that I have platforms. I have a background in social work, so I know how can I help the community. And through that, I think those qualities I have not just outside, beautiful heart, and the platform that I know that I can help the people. And those three aspects are for sure I can win the crown. Thank you.
Okay, panalo. Balik, magtuwa ka na. Ay, magtuwa ka na ng kapapaya. Isa.
Papaya po para
Magluluto ka ng tinola, di ba?
tayo guminhawa.
Taray.